Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Donut Traveling Cusinera. Here in Proteria, near us, I will buy salted bacalao and cauliflower for my recipe that I will show you. This is the continuation of my Spanish sabores, foods that are normally served in tapas or racion in every Spanish bar or restaurant here in Spain. So, ito yung salted bacalao na kagaya rin siya sa Pilipinas na daing na bacalao. So, ito ay nasa mahigit kalahating kilo. May mabibili ka na may puto at saka ito puro laman lang siya. At wala na rin siyang tinik. So, ang kada kilo nito is 12.50 euro. So, 500 kilo, mahigit ito. So, ang binayaran ko dito ay 7 euro. So, gagawa tayo rito ng mga Spanish sabores ngayong Semana Santa. Kailangan natin siyang ibabad sa tubig. Hugasan muna, no? Hugasan para maalis yung asin. And then, ibabad sa tubig na magdamag sa loob ng fridge at banlawan ulit. Heat some extra virgin olive oil in a pan. Coat the salted bacalao in flour. And then fry brown all the sides of the bacalao. Adding oil if necessary. Clean the pan with a kitchen towel and add some oil and brown the garlic. When it's brown, remove the garlic or strain it and return the oil to the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika or smoked paprika and turn up the heat. Cut the cauliflower into flowerets and steam until tender. To serve in a cazuela or tapa that is normally used to serve here in a bar or restaurant, arrange the cauliflower and the fried bacalao, garnish it with the fried garlic, and then season it with the smoked paprika oil. Garnish with some parsley. There you have it, salted bacalao and cauliflower. You can watch the other Spanish recipe in my Spanish Sabores playlist. Thanks for watching. Keep safe, everyone.